Hey friends, I'm George, and today I'm going to show you 4 easy ways to give a unique and distinct flavor to your dishes by smoking your own salt. It's 2 Ingredient Tuesday. The first way requires a gadget you may or may not have. It's with this smoking gun. Take a Ziploc bag, put in your favorite salt. My favorite is Celtic sea salt. Light your favorite wood chips. I'm going with hickory. Get some smoke in that bag and let the smoke sit in the bag with the salt for about 20 minutes to half an hour. Done. You don't have a smoking gun? Not a problem. Just make sure your kitchen hood exhausts to the outside of your home. Want to make sure you're getting your daily dose of iodine? Celtic makes a great seaweed salt. So on a sheet pan, spread out that salt, pop it in the oven with a fire extinguisher nearby, light up your favorite wood chips, put them in the oven, and keep the oven door closed for about a half an hour. You don't need to turn the oven on. Do you have a barbecue? Piece of cake. You don't need to turn it on either. This is a pellet hopper. Put in your favorite pellets, set them on fire, put them in the barbecue with your tray of salt for about a half an hour. Want to give your salt a little pop? With a microplane, add some lemon or lime zest to the salt. The salt will cure the lemon or lime rind you add to it. Last but not least, if you have a smoker, use it. Put in your favorite pellets or wood, depending on your smoker. Lay your tray on the grates and smoke the salt for about an hour. Please hit that like button. It helps to make my videos popular so I can keep on showing you more 2 Ingredient Tuesday recipes. Cheers.